In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Shopify store name and URL. This is a simple update inside your Shopify admin, and it is useful when you are rebranding, adjusting your business name, or you just want your store to look more consistent to customers. I will walk you through changing the store name that appears in your admin and areas of your storefront, and then changing the MyShopify.com URL prefix for your store. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From your admin dashboard, go to Settings. In the Settings area, use the search and type Store Details, then open Store Details from the results. This page contains your store profile information, including the name that Shopify uses across your account. In the Profile section, click Edit. You will see a field labeled Store Name. Click into that store name field, then enter the new name exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization. This is important because it can show up in places like emails and customer-facing areas depending on your theme and settings. When you are ready, click Save to lock in the change. Next, you will update the store URL prefix. Still in Settings, go to Domains. This is where Shopify manages the domains connected to your store, including the default myshopify.com address. On the Domains page, look for the option to change to a new myshopify.com domain. Click that option to begin. You will be prompted to enter a new URL prefix. This prefix becomes the part that comes before myshopify.com, so choose something clean and easy to recognize. Use a name that matches your brand and avoid extra characters that could make it harder to remember. After you enter the new prefix, click Add Domain and then Save to confirm the change. Once saved, Shopify will apply the updated myshopify.com domain to your store. You have now changed both your Shopify store name and your myshopify.com URL. That covers everything you need to know.